Thank you for supporting SR3's 15-cent maintenance levy. This not only will allow us to take care of the most pressing maintenance needs, but will ensure we do not have to sacrifice what we do in the classrooms for each of our 2,700 students and staff. SR3 will not see any proceeds from the 15 cents until December of 2022. However, over the past couple of years, we have been able to save funds due to the CARES Act, and those funds will allow us to get started before then. You will be seeing work very soon with roofing projects at Amazonia, a bid for HVAC at Minnie Klein and John Glenn on this month's board agenda, as well as a much-needed gas line replacement at the high school this summer, with much more to come. Thank you again for supporting your community and education in Savannah, and go Savages!